Good morning, students. Topic 2, Shapes of orbitals. Orbital is a region of space around the nucleus within which the probability of finding an electron given energy is maximum. The shape of this region gives the shape of orbitals. The electrons are revolving. So s orbital is a spherical in shape. So we are going to discuss s orbital, p orbital as well as d orbital. Here the shapes of s orbitals. So 1s orbital. So s orbital, L is equal to 0 and M is equal to 0. So there is only one possible orientation. This means the probability of finding an electron is same in all the direction at a given distance from the nucleus. For 2s orbital, it is also spherical shell. Within this orbital where the probability of finding electron is 0 nearly. This is called nodal surface. So 0 probability means there is no electron is present there. It is called nodal surface or nodal plane. It means there is no electrons from 1s as well as 2s. In between it is empty shell. For number of nodes in s orbitals, n-1. The formula n-1 we can calculate. For 1s orbital, there is no node is present. For 2s orbital, number of nodes in 2s orbital 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Number of nodes in 3s orbital 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2s orbital 1 node and 3s orbital is 2 nodes. So electron clouds, it is present like that. Electron probability density higher in 2s orbitals than the 1s orbital. So s orbital, it is a spherical in shape and non-directional character. Spherical is symmetrical about the nucleus, so it is a non-directional character. 2s orbital, similarly the electrons are revolving the boundary surface or it is a conform surface. The electrons are richer. The value of probability density psi squared is constant. It is for 1s orbital. At the same time, the density will be increases when the principal quantum number is increased. It means n value is increased. So the probability of finding the electron for 1s is 90%. And the electrons are revolving in the particular orbit. Between the nucleus as well as the first 1s, there is no electron is present. So here the 1s orbital, the electrons are revolving only the particular orbit. At the same time, for 2s orbitals, the secondary boundary line, the secondary boundary probability of finding the electron is 100%. So electron is richer in the particular area. So psi squared always has a same value. It is a constant value. If you go for 1s as well as 2s, here node is present. That is why it is not possible to draw boundary surface diagram of rigid size in which the probability of finding the electron is 100%. S orbital, it is whenever the size is increased, whenever the number of shell is increased, automatically the size will be also increased. And here the number of nodal surfaces of nodes will be also increases of any energy levels. It is a two-dimensional structure and it is a three-dimensional structure. 1s orbital and here 2s orbital. Two-dimensional orbitals are like that and three-dimensional is s orbital. It is a symmetrical in all the directions. So non-directional character. This is known as 1s orbital. So the density will be greater for 4s orbital first because of 4 cells are there. 4 cells, so it is a greater density than 3s orbital. 3s orbital means 3 shells. That means 3 energy levels are there and 2s orbital than the 2s orbital as well as 1s orbital. Because of 1s only one shell is present. So density must be greater for 4s orbital. It is a density greater. It's very far away from the nucleus also. This is the first one, s orbital. Next one, p orbital. Here n is equal to 2. It means the p orbital start from second main shell. So L is equal to 1. Magnetic quantum number -1, 0, +1. M is magnetic quantum number. It have a 3 orientation possible. P orbitals can have 3 possible orientation. This is actually equal in energies. It is a degenerate states. It is known as dumbbell shape differ in their orientation. See here, this is two lobes are present along the axis of X, and in this the white color shows the density is richer, and y-axis this is 2py and 2pzx. The electrons are oriented like that, 2px, 2py and 2pz. So three possible orientation. Suppose the electrons are much richer in this x-axis side. So x-axis side it is 2px. At the same time the electrons are present here. There is one node is present. So the two lobes are meeting one midpoint. This midpoint there is no electron is present. There is no electron is present. Suppose 2ph side means yz axis plane side. There is no electron is present. So it is a one node is present. For p orbital it is a one node panel. It is one node is present. The two lobes are meeting in the midpoint. There is no electron is present. So the electrons is revolving like that. First one 2px, second one 2py and 2pz axis. Here one node is present. It is a dumbbell shape. Third one d orbitals, n is equal to 3 and l is equal to 2. Values of m is -2, -1, 0, 1 as well as 2. Totally 5 orientation. In this 5 orientation, totally 5 orientation, this is also double dumbbell shape or clover leaf shape. Double dumbbell shape or clover leaf shape, it can be oriented like that. It is dxy and dx square minus y square, dzx and dz square, as well as it is also dyz axis. So 3dxy, 3dyz and 3dzx and 3dx square minus y square and 3dz square. Totally 5 orientations. Here the dxy and dyz and dzx. 3 are the lobes are lying in between the axes. They are equal in energies. It is double dumbbell shape or clover leaf shape, equal in energies. In between the axis, the lobes are lying, so the d orbitals may have two nodal plane. dz axis, the lobes are lying along the z axis. There is no node is present. And last one zx, z square, x square as well as y square. It is also present along the axis.